Hello, I'm Luke Mathot, Corporate Executive Director of Food and Beverage for Accor North and Central America, and I live in Dallas, Texas with my wife and kids. Well, sheltered at home, we thought it'd be fun to share some recipes with you that you can make. So we're gonna do carnitas today, which is a slow-cooked pork originating from the state of Michoacan in Mexico. This time I got a whole bone-in pork shoulder, also known as a Boston butt. Broke that down into 2 to 3 inch or 5 to 7 centimeter cubes. The next step is to season and sear. So my mix has smoked paprika, chili powder, cumin, sal de gusano, Mexican oregano, and black pepper. And I'm searing them in yesterday's breakfast bacon fat for some hashtag zero waste cooking. Make sure you do not throw that deliciousness away, ever. And also, remember that spices can burn quickly, so keep an eye on them. Marinate or brine them overnight if you have time. Go in your pantry, see what ingredients you have. We used enchilada sauce, diced green chilies, some fire roasted tomatoes, and also some Carnitas mother sauce, which is just the leftover that I've had and just keeping it frozen. Had it for a while now. We make these a lot at home. You can also use these same techniques, but if you don't have these ingredients, if you want to do a Southern style pulled pork, you can do it with cola, beer, barbecue sauce, etc. You know those flavors. Next, put them in the oven or a smoker if you have access to it, 150 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're covered. Check them after 2 hours. Once you can pull them apart with a fork, you know that they're ready. Take it out, put them on a cutting board, shred them up, add some of that sauce, and you are ready to go. So enjoy, and when this travel ban is lifted, make sure that you can go get the authentic versions at Fairmont Mayacoba or Sofitel Reforma, Mexico City. Thank you. Enjoy.